Hey guys, it's Bigz from Boom and Bigz TV. Today, as you can see, I'm holding a lot of ingredients that includes bananas, pudding, wafers, Redi whip, and almond milk. I'm going to be making banana pudding. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, so stay tuned.
The ingredients we are using are ripe organic bananas, organic vanilla instant pudding. This we found at Whole Foods. This is 365 brand, and it is a vegan product. Next, we have non-dairy almond milk Redi whip, which we found at Sprouts. And this is exciting by itself to try this because we haven't tried that before. Next, we have organic vanilla almond milk. This is also 365 brand, which is found at Whole Foods. And for the vanilla wafers, we found these at Sprouts and looked at the ingredients, and they are vegan. So all of the ingredients that we are using are obviously vegan, and most of them are organic or at least non-GMO. The only one I'm not sure about is the Redi whip. This doesn't say anything about organic or non-GMO.
Okay, the first thing you do is you chop up a few bananas to your liking. Some people like a lot of bananas. Some people like less bananas, more wafers. So I prefer a lot of bananas.
The next step is to mix up the instant pudding. The directions say that we should pour 2 cups of cold milk, or obviously our non-dairy beverage, which is our almond milk, into a medium mixing bowl, and then gradually add the contents of the pouch while beating with a wire whisk. We're making 2 boxes of pudding, so we have 4 cups of milk in the bowl.
The next part is to slowly whisk and pour the pudding in the milk gradually, and then it's going to start to thicken up eventually. So you just stir and whisk for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's starting to thicken. It's going to thicken more as it sets.
So we opened the bag of cookies, and most of them are broken, but it's still going to taste the same. It's just going to look different.
So next, I'm just going to layer this with cookies, then banana, then pudding. Cookie, banana, then pudding. I'm probably going to just do 3 layers because my cookies are so jacked up. But you get the gist of it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys the finished product. My cookies were jacked up, so I had to stretch them out as far as I could, but I made it through.
The next thing we have to do is cover this up and put it in the refrigerator.
Delicious. Hey guys, it's Boom from Bigz. Hold on, I'm gonna start off. Hey guys, it's Boom.